What's up guys? So welcome to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators. Today I bought an amazing kitchen gadget. So you know that is the electric kettle with the picture. I am unboxing this amazing kitchen gadget and I will show you how to use it, and it is very useful to make tea, noodles and boil water. So before watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoyed the video, give a like, and for more and more videos, please press the bell icon. So let me start with the features now. Here are the features of the electric kettle. So first is capacity is 1.8 liter, stainless steel kettle, new modern design with filter, water level scale, heat resistant plastic handle, on off switch, indicator light, safety cut off. Now I will open the main box of it. I had opened, and first only I will get a user manual of this electric kettle. I will keep this in the side. Next is the owner of the electric kettle. If you put the electric kettle on this and put it in the switchboard, it will be heated here with the electricity. And at the last, we will get our electric kettle in a package. So this is our electric kettle. It is black and stainless steel. It's so nice, and if you want to open it, you should press and open this. And you should put it like this. And here is the on off switch. It is on off. And here are some holes to use as a kettle. And here is a pin. And here is the indicator light. Now I will boil water and I will show you how it works. So I will put the water in the electric kettle. I put full bottle of water. So I had offed it. I will take this out, and you should not touch it. You can get electric short. So I will keep this in the side and take out the water. Wow, the vapors are coming. It's fully nice. And I will open and show you. The water is boiled. It's fully boiling. It's so nice. You can drink boiled water every day. So how do you like this amazing electric kettle? Friends, for this video, tata, take care.